Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do one-to pass and go in FC26. So first of all, before we start, let's look at the regular pass. To do the regular pass, you need to press A on Xbox and X on PlayStation. Now when you perform a normal pass, the game doesn't just pass the ball in the direction you point at randomly. Instead, it assists the pass toward the closest player in the direction of your left stick. Now let's do a give and go. On Xbox, hold LB and press A at the same time. On PlayStation, hold L1 and press X at the same time. When you do this, the player who made the pass will immediately start making a forward run. You can even trigger multiple give and go passes in a row to send more than one player running forward. Now the most common mistake players make is pressing the buttons one after other, like holding L1 or LB first and then pressing X or A. That won't work properly. You must press them at the same time for the give and go to activate. But yeah, that's how you can perform both regular pass and give and go in FC26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.